Hi there, welcome again. This is the day 7 of this 30-day Power BI series. In this video, we will going to focus on what are filters in Power BI, what are slices in Power BI, what are different types of filters that we have in Power BI. So, filter uh, filter is a crucial aspect of Power BI, and specifically we will look into the page level filter, report level filter, and visual level filters. These are the three kinds of filters that we have in Power BI. So let's dive right in. Filters in Power BI helps you to focus on specific data within your report. Okay, I want to I want to see, like, suppose I want to see only the data of year 2018. So I will just filter my report on the basis of 2018. Why would I need to see the data of 2019 and 20 if I want to focus on 2018? So filter is something like this. You can slice your report on the basis of on the basis of the filters or uh, the slicer you want. So by applying filter, you can refine your data view and highlight important insights. There are mainly three kinds of filters that we have in Power BI. First is visual level filter. I will explain you about visual level filter that only applies to the individual visual, such as chart, tables. Like, I want to apply this filter I want to apply any filter on this visual only. So I will go into the visual pane, oh sorry, filter pane, and will apply this filter on this slicer, on this visual only. You can see that as soon as I click on to this visual, I can see that filter on this visual option. If I did When I did not click on this particular visual, then I cannot see this option over here. Let me show you once again. So there is no option of selecting a visual from here. So when I select this visual, we have the filter on this visual option. So I have the product category and total orders in this visual. So I can see that the both the categories are present over here, both the columns are present over here. So let's apply filter to this only. It is selected as all for now. So let me choose it as furniture. You can see that it has affected only this visual only. The other is unbothered and does not affect any of them. So this is a visual level filter that is streamlined to the visual only. Next we have is page level filter. So when I click onto this, if you want to apply the filter on this particular page only, you can see that I have no data over here. I can add the date filter, like I want to see the data on on the date. Let's choose 2018. I don't think so that much data is present. Let's see if we can do anything around. Okay, let's do relative date. So you can see that there are different kinds of options that is present over here. That is advanced filtering, basic filtering, relative day, relative time. Advanced filtering is something that if you want to apply the particular if and else condition, like this date is equals to this and year equals to this, rather than scrolling down to the different kinds of dates, you can directly do the advanced filtering. Like, if show items when the value is Let's select as 2019, 20, or can we June 2020. Let's click on the apply filter. You can see that all of the visuals are affected by this filter. Okay, so this is something that we can apply on the whole report, sorry, not the whole report, but on the whole page only, with applying a filter on this page. Next, the third kind we have is filter on the report. Suppose I want to change or filter the report on the basis of one condition only. The whole report, irrespective of pages, like irrespective of orders, irrespective of sales, inventory, customer, be it any kind of pages. I want one filter to be applied, that I need to see the data only in 2020. So let's do one thing. Let's let's create one filter on the page. I will remove this. So you can see that option is filter on all pages. So I want to see that my date should not be more than 2020, or I should be in the year 2020 only. So I will add this year tab over here, date hierarchy. I don't know why it's not. Okay, date hierarchy is over here, and I'll click on the advanced filtering. Is after the year 2020, to the year 2020, and okay, sorry, I did not select it. After the year 2020, January 1st, and before 2021. December. Okay, let's apply it. So I think that this filter is applied on all of the report. We can see that the filters are applied on the whole report. So now next we have covered all the basic types of slices, all the types of slicers, sorry, filters, and now we are going to look into what are slicers is. Slicers are just like a visual filter that allows the user to segment data by selecting values directly from the report. They are particularly useful for making your reports interactive and easy to navigate. You can use slicer for various data types, including text, numbers, dates, or even hierarchical data. In the slicers that I have included over here, like I have two slicers that is present. I have the year slicer and the month slicer, in which I can slice the data on the basis of year and month only, in this particular report only. Suppose we want, what we usually do is we hand over the report to the client or any other people, so they don't know how to use the filters, or they are not familiar with handling the filters. So we usually what we usually want is that it should be user interactive. So for the user interactiveness, we use slicers that user can select the data of its own choice. Like you want to see the data of year 2018 only. So The user can do it by himself or herself on this particular size slices only. You can install the slicers over the visualization pane. The slicer part is over here, and apply the slicer on the basis of different data that we have. Let's add one slicer over here, and I will add year. So yeah, we can see that there is range that has come over here, 2018 to 2021. I don't want it like a jag, like between style. I want it like a vertical list. So 2018 it is, because I have selected only 2018 over here. So this is what it is, the slicer is. In the next video, I will tell you more about the sync slicers and different kinds, and we will move on further on our this 30 days journey. Thank you everyone.